Hey Joe, why don't we have some people over for pizza tonight and have a party?
Okay, that sounds like fun. How many pizzas should we order, and how many people are going to come?
I was thinking that we should invite maybe 2 more people over.
Yeah, that sounds like fun, and then we can watch movies or play board games or something.
Okay, so we will have 4 people that need to eat pizza. If each person has 3 slices, then how many slices will we need?
Well, according to my calculations, I think that means we need to have 12 slices.
Well, do you know how many slices are in one whole pizza?
Well, from what I can think of, it appears that there are 8 slices in one whole pizza.
Great. How many pizzas will we need if we need 12 slices? And only 8 slices come in each pizza?
That is a tough question. Can I phone a friend?
Well, let's think about this. I think that this is just a simple division problem. All we have to do is divide 12 by 8.
But why?
That is a fantastic question. It is division because we have lots of slices, but we know that they are already divided into groups of 8.
So what you're saying is we are looking for how many groups of 8 are in 12.
Well, let's group the 12 slices into sets of 8.
Okay, so if we make sets of 8 out of the 12 slices, then it looks like we have one whole pizza and 4 extra slices, which means we need 1.5 pizzas.
But wait. We can't order 1/2 of a pizza. We need to order 2 pizzas.
I am sure getting hungry. Where is that pizza?
It will be here soon. Besides, not everyone is here yet.
Hey, I think the pizzas are here.
Whoa, look at this. They gave us 2 extra pizzas for free because there was a special. That means we have another 16 slices.
Oh look, people saw our post on Facebook, so 6 more people just showed up at the door. Now we have 10 people and 4 pizzas.
Well, how many slices do we each get now?
Remember, each pizza had 8 slices. So now that we have 4 pizzas, that means we have 8 slices times 4 pizzas, which equals 32 slices.
Okay, except now we have 10 people, not 4.
Since we know the total number of slices and the number of people, we want to divide the slices evenly between people.
I know that we can each get 3 pieces. That would make 3 slices times 10 people equals 30 slices eaten.
Wait, how did you figure that out?
Well, remember how we made groups of 8? Well, I made groups of 10 instead.
Oh, I get it. But wait. There are still 2 pieces left over. What happens to those 2 pieces?
Let's divide 2 by 10.
Okay, so that would be equal to 1/5 of the pizza?
Wait, that can't be right. 1/5 of the pizza would be equal to 1/5 of 8 slices, which would be 1 3/5 slices.
Good point. So then that must not be right. So I guess back to the drawing board.
Maybe we don't have to start over. Let's think about those 2 pieces divided by 10 people, so it must be 1/5 of a piece per person.
Now that makes sense. But I want to think about the 2 slices in terms of the whole pizza.
Yes, I guess that means we have 2 pieces out of 8 pieces. That would be 1/4 of the whole pizza.
Well, I do not think that seems right. That seems like too much pizza left over.
Well, I see that it says 1/4 of a pizza per 10 people, which turns out to be 1/40 of a pizza.
I can't even imagine what 1/40 of a pizza looks like.
Great point. So let's think about the 1/40 in terms of 8 slices per pizza. That would mean 8/40 per person.
Wait. That is the same thing as 1/5 of a piece per person. Which is what we said before. Amazing.
Yes, that is exactly what it means.